Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this will be a different video. For those that don't know, I am a mom. If you follow me on Instagram, you see pictures of my family. So this is my daughter. She's 2 years old. I'm going to show you my go-to simple hairstyle for a toddler like her. So I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. Her hair has been washed and towel dried. So I'm just gonna spritz some water to add some moisture back in her hair before I apply the leave-in conditioner. So for this one, I'm using the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Leave-In Conditioner. I love this leave-in. I use it on my hair. I use it on her hair. I even use it on my son's hair. So yeah. And I'm just going to apply it generously all over her hair. I am heavy-handed when it comes to hair products. And you see the products are staying on her hair. She has super low porosity hair like I do, so don't worry about that. As I'm styling it, the products will get absorbed into her hair follicles. Now the next step, I'm gonna seal in all this moisture with this whipped shea butter and coconut oil mixture. I'm gonna apply it all over her hair and focus especially on the ends of her hair. So I love sealing my hair and her hair with a heavy butter like this because I notice even after styling the hair and leaving it in a protective style for weeks, whenever I take it down, my hair and her hair still feels super moisturized, and even after washing it, the hair doesn't feel dry. So it's really important, at least for our hair type, heavy butters really do well to sealing all that moisture that we need. Now I'm just dividing her hair into 4 sections because that's what I'm going to be working with, and once I do that, I'm going to start detangling her hair. So I'm starting with this section, and I'm going to use a white tooth comb. Well, before I use the white tooth comb, you can see I'm gently pulling on the hair to stretch it out, and then I'm using the white tooth comb to lightly detangle. I'm trying to stretch it more than detangle with the white tooth comb. Once I detangle lightly with the white tooth comb, then I switch out and use my tangle teaser. This is the same method I use to detangle my hair. The way I'm detangling her hair is pretty much the same method I use to detangle my hair. So I'm just going to detangle starting from the ends and then separate it into 3 sections, or it depends on how tangled her hair is. I might separate it into smaller sections, but for this style, I only separated each section into 3, and then I'll go in and detangle some more. I'm spritzing some water just to moisturize it. Then as you can see, I'll go back with the tangle teaser and try to detangle some more. Now I only do this kind of serious detangling once a month. Actually using a brush like the tangle teaser to really detangle her hair. So once I finish with that section, I'm going to put it in a ponytail. Before I do that, I'm using the tangle teaser to gently brush her edges so that the style comes out neat. Once I do that, I'm going in with a actual brush. I can't remember the name. I will put the name of this brush and everything I use in the description box. But yeah, I'll use this brush to just brush her edges. This would help to make everything look neat and tight. And then you can see I'm pulling on it gently just to stretch her hair because her hair shrinks a lot. So instead of having to comb it and comb it and comb it over and over again, once I detangle it, I just use my hands to gently stretch it out, and then I'll put it in a ponytail. Now I don't like to make any of her hairstyles really tight, so I make it just tight enough to make it look neat or somewhat neat but not so tight where it's uncomfortable for her, because me personally, I don't like hairstyles that have so much that are really tight on my hair either. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to put this ponytail into 2 twists. You don't have to put it into 2 twists. The main thing is just to tuck it in or create a bun. But I like doing this because it helps to stretch the hair out, especially if I want to do a different hairstyle on her after this hairstyle. Like I need to stretch her hair to do a different hairstyle. So I like to do this. Also, it keeps her hair from tangling up again or tangling up so much. So once I twist the two sections, then I will, well, as you can see, I'm just going to wrap it around itself to create a bun. And then I'm going to use this hair ruffle to tie her hair to create the bun. I'm just going to repeat the steps on all 4 sections to create this hairstyle, and that is pretty much it. Once I finish everything, then you will see I'll just go ahead and layer her edges and make her edges look a little neat. So off camera, this little lady was playing with the spray bottle and she sprayed water on her clothes. So if you notice that her clothes are wet, that's what happened. But yes, that is all. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you like it. I'm going to incorporate hairstyles for her every now and again, you know, not very often. But yeah, I hope you guys like it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Say hi to the camera. Don't put it on your mouth, pretty. No, don't lick it. Don't lick it.
No, wait. There's something in the basket. No.
Okay, do it. Yeah, blow.
What is it?
Yes, like that. Good job.